A tree will not stand firm without strong roots supporting it, nor will a building that will be strong if it's not supported by a strong foundation. That's the main function of a foundation, that's supporting the structure above it so it can stand firmly. I am Sultan, and on this occasion, I will discuss one type of foundation, namely the pile. Pile foundation, according to schoolofp.com, is defined as a series of columns constructed or inserted into the ground to transmit loads to a lower level of subsoil. A pile is a long cylinder made up of a strong material such as concrete. And then, what about its installation? Well, you can watch this animated process. Piles are first cast at ground level, and then hammered or driven into the ground using a pile driver. A pile driver is a machine that holds the pile vertically and hammers it into the ground. Blows are repeated by lifting a heavy weight and dropping it on top of the pile. Piles should be hammered into the ground until the reversal point is reached. Reversal point is the point where a pile cannot be driven into the soil any further. The method of installing a pile is a major consideration in the structural integrity of pile foundation. That's all I can say. Thanks for watching. I am Sultan Ahmad Dzakwan and see you on my next video.